Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining, and do not forget to turn on the notification button. If you are an old subscriber, regular subscriber, thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this hot girl summer soft glam makeup look. And my kind of makeup look is inspired by the 90s. I just wanted to take it way back there with all the browns and all the kind of earthy tonish colors. And in today's video as well, I'll be using this palette here from Too Faced, and this is the Born This Way, the Natural Nudes palette. As you guys can tell, the soft glam just was going with this palette because it's like an earthy nude tones, and I just feel like it's a softer palette in terms of achieving a soft glam. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below, and also give me some love, guys. Don't forget to like the video so that I can know what you guys like and don't like. So yeah, let's get started with the video. My first eyeshadow shade that I'm going to be using is this shade here, which is called Maple, and it's a really light brown. I'm using this in my transition color to start off the look. Transition colors just help to work as the foundation of all the shadows that you're going to place on top, and just really help with emphasizing any eyeshadows that you do end up placing on top of them. So that's the reason why I'm using this, and I really just like this palette because it's got a lot of nudes, a lot of browns, a lot of pinks, just really soft sort of eyeshadows. After, I just blend out the eyeshadows and just really work them into my eyelid area and crease area, just making sure everything is really nice and smooth. Then to smoke out the eyeshadow, I went in with the color Truffle, which is like a deep smoky brown. I just really liked this shade here because I just thought it just adds a bit of emphasis in terms of the look, even though it is a soft glam, but I still wanted to add a bit of definition into the eye just so that it doesn't look bland. And I feel like this color Truffle is just the perfect sort of smoky brown that you could ever like wish for in a palette. So I'm just blending that on top of the transition color that we placed earlier on. And then for the eyelid color, we're going to go in with this color here called Nude, and it is just the perfect nude color. It's very light, light brown, sort of beigey color. Once finished placing the eyeshadows, I then move on to adding a little bit of a wing liner, and I actually learned this trick from Kendall and I think Bella, and Kylie, sorry, they tend to use a brown liner. Instead of using a black liner, you can just use a brown shadow and use an angled brush, and basically if you just use it in light strokes, you can create this really nice natural wing liner that is not too harsh, because sometimes the black can just be too harsh, and I just felt like this was the perfect thing to do, especially for this eye, because it's a soft eye and it's something that I've been doing quite a lot, this eye makeup. I've just been really loving it so much. It gives it an edge, but it is also quite like sultry. I don't really know how to explain it, but you guys can see for yourself. And I'm just basically using brown eyeshadow and just packing it on with an angled brush, as you guys can see here, and just taking my time and just creating a wing liner. And I just think it's so nice. I've really been loving this trick. And then obviously for mascara, I'm using Better Than Sex, which is the current mascara that I'm enjoying from Too Faced Cosmetics. It is really good, and if you do have very light small lashes, barely there, this is just going to lift up your lashes and give you that baba boom. And like always, guys, you already know I always add shadow to my lower lash area, because it just emphasizes my eyes, and I just think it looks really pretty to do this final step. Do wish to miss it out if that is not your thing, but that is definitely my signature eye makeup. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just using a light blending brush. I used the maple, by the way, to put that on in my lower lash color area, sorry, if anyone does ask. And then I do move on to my lips. Last but not least, you guys already know I'm using my always and most trusted signature like lip colors that you guys already heard me talking about, which is the So Chic lip liner. This just adds the definition and lines my lips. And then I'm going in with the Sweet Tooth from L'Oreal, and I really love this matte liquid lipstick. You guys already know, it just gives me that nude sort of a vibe that I am after. Then I do finish it up with the plump lip gloss from Berry Cosmetics, and yeah, I just felt like it gave me that sort of glossy, sort of like 90s soft glam sort of look. That's what I was trying to go for. And yeah, guys, that was basically it. I did do my lashes off camera, so that is the makeup look. I really hope you guys like it, and do let me know how you found it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, dolls. Mwah.